guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim. If it's your first time, hi, how are you guys? Welcome. And so today's video, since it is the first day of fall, I thought about making a fall video. Sometimes we think of fall, we're like, oh, we're gonna buy new outfits, and you know, sometimes you guys are like me. I'm a college student. I can't be affording to buy outfits every single weekend or every single day because I'm a college student. I gotta pay for college. So I'm gonna give you today 6 item pieces, or I think they're 5, not sure, but we'll figure it out right now. I'm gonna talk to you guys about some items that you guys might have these pieces at home that you guys use during springtime, during summertime, or even used it last year in fall. And it's okay to use it because, you know, these pieces of clothing that I'm going to show you might still be on, you know, this top's trend this year. You know, the colors are definitely the same. Hopefully you guys learn a little something. And if you guys have more fall video ideas, let me know down below. I am very anxious to read all your comments, and we'll get started now. Okay, so I'm going to start off by a piece that you definitely might have, you know, maybe not that same material or that same color, but you definitely have that item that you use during summer or that you use during spring as well. And it's going to be a skirt. I brought 2 skirts just in case, you know, maybe you guys wanted to see another different color. But definitely a jean skirt is one of my top, you know, items that I definitely used, you know, all year round, even in winter time. You know, just put some, you know, tights with it, and it's definitely winter vibes. Summertime, you definitely used it with some sandals, with some flats, but the way it's going to change is you're going to put on some, you know, maybe some sneakers on, or maybe some booties. It definitely changes the vibe between summer and fall, and I just feel like this is just a perfect clothing piece for all year long. And I know you might have one, maybe not a jean skirt, maybe more, you know, a fall color skirt, just like this one, that is more like a burgundy skirt. I'd use this not maybe year round because of the color, but definitely fall time, a skirt with booties, with some boots. If you're wondering where I got this from, I got this, let me just button up here. I got this from Forever 21. This is from Forever 21. I actually bought this maybe a couple years ago. Still have it, still looks like new. I obviously don't wear it all the time, but I do wear it, you know, a good amount of time. I got this skirt. I don't know if they still have this kind of style with the zipper. It definitely opens up all the way down. But I also got this at Forever 21. This I did get it recently, maybe last year. I got this, I know I got that skirt maybe like when I was in high school, to be honest. But I know that style never changes. I know it's always on trend. And also this with the zipper, I'm pretty sure they're still available. I'll be linking it down below so you guys could, you know, go check it out. One of the pieces of clothing that I highly recommend, and I know for sure that you guys might have it in your closet. I talked about it in my last video where I went, where I showed you what I was taking to my trip. I definitely recommend this, and you guys already know because I told you how much I recommended it in the last video, and I still recommend it because it's a must-have, and it's you know, must thing that you guys might have. And it's especially a white tee. The white tee goes with everything, especially during fall, and a cardigan, it's fall, you know. The white tee works anything for summer too, with shorts. It works with a skirt, it works for, you know, jeans. It's just, the white tee goes with everything. It's like a neutral color. I think having neutral colors in your closet is a must-have too. I might do a video of must-haves in your closet, but the white tee, definitely recommend 100%. And this tee is actually from Zara. I bought it, I don't know when I bought it. I think I did buy it like last year or something. A dress. So this dress is a t-shirt dress. This, especially the color of it, definitely gives it fall vibes. But if you have a white one, or you have a black one, or you have a, you know, an orange one, scarf over it, and it definitely gives you those vibes from fall. Now, I had this for the longest time. I think I had it since sophomore year when I was in high school. I definitely don't wear it as much anymore, but you know, if it's something to throw on just to go to the market during fall time, definitely this is a good piece. I bought this at Forever 21 a long time ago. Put it with some sneakers, high top sneakers, or some boots. Definitely gives it that fall vibe. Good thing about jean jackets is that you can wear it all year long as well, not just for summer or not just for fall, but winter, spring, or whatever. But the way you could use this for fall time, since it is a blue jacket, it's a blue demi jacket, definitely gives those more fall vibes. Put a scarf, a gray shirt, some black jeans, some boots, definitely gives it a fall vibe. Definitely, and I know for sure that you guys will have in your closet, it's the jeans, but more specifically black jeans. The color black, these jeans are a must, you know, a must have, and I'm pretty sure you guys have them. These are skinny jeans, but you know, boyfriend jeans, girlfriend jeans, mom jeans, anything will do. Black, I think the black color goes more with the fall vibe, more than light wash jeans. But if you have a black pair of jeans, it's perfectly fine for some boots, nice top sneakers. With these few pieces of clothing that I have here, I could build a bunch of other different kind of outfits. And if you guys want to see that too, you know, happy to do it for you guys. But yeah, definitely black jeans are a must-have. Like I said, I'm putting pictures around here so you guys can see. I got these at Abercrombie and Fitch, so they are skinny, super skinny jeans. Another piece that I have would be another dress, more like a flowy dress too. I think it would go perfect with you know, for the fall. I'm pretty sure you guys have a bunch of flowy dresses that you guys use during springtime or summertime, and I definitely have worn this dress, even though it gives me that fall vibe because of the colors. But I have definitely worn this during summertime as well. You know, just perfect for the fall. It's super flowy. Put it with some, you know, boots, definitely gives it that vibe. You know, a hat or something gives it that nice vibe too. So flowy dresses are also a thing that you guys might have in your closet, that you guys might use, that you guys could use again during the fall time, not only for summer but for the fall time as well. Now I'm gonna go with the shoes that you guys might have from the previous season, or from, you know, last year's fall, or 3 years ago fall. The reason why I'm saying 3 years fall is because I've had these like more than, maybe I had them since maybe freshman year of high school. So it's been 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 years now. Which are these boots. These were super popular during my freshman year of high school, and they still are, believe it or not, because of the color they are. I don't see them out too much anymore, but you know, maybe because they don't make them no more. If they do, I'm pretty sure they have like a bunch of like different kind of, you know, things on them, but I don't really see classic, you know, just white, you know, boot from Steve Madden 6 years ago. I don't know why I got them, but I just like them. I think that you guys might have a pair at in your closet, just because I know how popular these were back then. I'm pretty sure everyone has some, but the point of this is that some brown, you know, pair of boots definitely goes with, you know, this fall vibe. I don't think you would necessarily wear them during summer because it is too hot, but maybe during springtime where it's a little cooler but hot at the same time. But another pair that I'm going to show you that I've also had for the longest time too, maybe around that same time that I got those boots from Steve Madden, and you guys might definitely have, you know, this pair of shoe because it is a year round kind of shoe that everyone buys them in every single season. It doesn't matter the season you are in, I'm pretty sure you guys will have these sneakers. And the reason why I have these sneakers, Vans sneakers, I have them in low top and I have them in high top. But the reason why I got these high top to show you guys is because, one, I've had them for the longest time, and I think that you could definitely, you know, if you have them, definitely will bring up the fall vibe more because it is kind of a style of a boot since they are high top. So I think that gives it more like a fall kind of vibe. These are my 6 item pieces. I'm pretty sure you guys have a couple of these pieces at home that you guys might use again. I hope this video actually helped you, taught you a little bit how to mix and match, or how it's okay to wear last year or 6 years ago trend is definitely still in trend if you just touch it up a little bit with today's trend. Still gives you that, you know, fashion vibe, that fashion fall vibe. Be 23rd of September, the first day of fall. That's it for today's video, and see you on the next one. Bye.